Guys, happy birthday, Tita Jen. May God be with you always. Have faith and trust in Him po. Palagi po mag-pray kay God na lagi niya po kayong gagabayan sa araw-araw. And happy birthday din kay Pio. Love you, Picho.
Happy birthday, Tita Jen. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. I just want to say thank you for all the love, care, and wisdom you've shared with us. You're such a blessing to our family. I hope this year brings you more happiness, good health, and unforgettable memories. I love you always.
Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Happy birthday, te. Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, Tita Jen. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Jen. Say happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
I love you.
I love you.
Ikaw naman, Jid.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you. Sana, maging healthy ka lang. Birthday, Heavens.
San Jovi Omega to,
Heavens.
Tita.
Happy birthday.
San Jovi Omega to sa iyo, Mas Tita Jen.
Si Tao.
Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Ano, Kuya? Happy birthday, Jen.
Happy birthday, Carl.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen. Happy birthday, Jen. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jen. 39 ka na. Isang taon na lang. 40 ka na. Kala mo dyan. Sana maging masaya ka ngayon. And magiging okay lahat. Lalo na kay Tio. Love you.
Happy birthday, sister. Wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jen. Sana palagi kang healthy. Happy birthday.
Good morning. Jen, happy birthday, nak. Naway, maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo ngayon. At lagi mong iisipin na lahat ng problema ay may kalunasan. Basta kumapit ka lang sa Panginoon. Andyan lang siya. At laging makikinig sa mga panalangin na gusto mong makamit. Nandito lang kaming lahat na nagmamahal sa'yo. Basta't kumapit lang tayo, anak. Lalo na sa kaarawan ni Pio at ang kanyang parating na operasyon ay maging successful. Alam ko, pangungunahan niya ng Panginoon. At lagi lang tayong mag-pray. At huwag kang bibitaw, lagi kang nandyan lagi sa mga anak mo. Wala man akong mairegalo sa'yo, kundi ang prayers lang, at nandito lang din ako para sa'yo at sa mga apo ko. Basta, happy birthday, nak. Maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo. I wish all the best in your life, nak. I love you so much.
Hello, mga happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Magpamassage ka dyan. Ngayong araw, pamassage ka. Miss you all. Miss ko na kayo lahat. Uwi ako dyan next week. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. I love you so much.